Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best ATWFS Instant Water Heater.for your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs. Promotion: smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best ATWFS Instant Water Heater.for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. Link in description box below. When it comes to instant water heaters, the ATWFS Instant Water Heater stands out for its efficiency and modern design. Here's why it's an excellent choice and what to consider when buying one. The ATWFS heater offers rapid water heating, saving time and energy. With its compact design, it's perfect for small spaces such as bathrooms and kitchens. The device often includes adjustable temperature settings, allowing you to customize the water temperature for various needs. Additionally, many models come with digital displays, providing precise temperature control. One of the main advantages of the ATWFS heater is its energy efficiency. By heating water only when needed, it reduces electricity consumption compared to traditional storage water heaters. It's also easy to install, requiring minimal space and effort, making it ideal for apartments or homes with limited room. Before purchasing, ensure the heater's power rating matches your household's electrical system to avoid overloading. Check the water pressure compatibility, especially if you plan to use it in high-rise buildings. Lastly, look for safety features like automatic shut-off and anti-leak protection for peace of mind. The ATWFS Instant Water Heater is a reliable and efficient solution for on-demand hot water. By considering your space, energy needs, and safety preferences, you can ensure a smart purchase that will serve you well for years. Thanks for watching the video.